Jakarta has developed so much since I left. I left Jakarta when I was 14. And nowadays it kind of reminds me of a mix of New York, Tokyo, and because of that drumming and dancing, kind of like Sao Paulo in Brazil.
Wow.
Yeah, a little bit.
You just described the greatest city in the world. Tokyo, New York, and Sao Paulo all in one.
That's true.
Banyak orang luar negeri mengatakan bahwa Indonesia itu kumuh dan tertinggal. Namun turis ini datang sendiri ke Jakarta untuk membuktikannya. Sesampainya di Jakarta, mereka mengira ini adalah Tokyo karena kota yang sangat maju. Gedung pencakar langit berdiri begitu megahnya, pusat perbelanjaan mewah, transportasi publik yang memadai, dan orang-orang yang ramah. Seketika opini itu runtuh di mata mereka.
District here in Jakarta, where all the tall buildings are, because you guys said you wanted to see the more posh side of Jakarta, and as we say here on Jet Lag Warriors, ask and you shall receive. Now, Ivana and I have come to this very fancy, very big mall as a dual-purpose strategy. One, to avoid coming down here in rush hour, and two, to beat the heat. So we've come to this massive mall, and my claim is this. My claim is the island of Java has more bakeries per square kilometer than anywhere else on Earth. I have no way of proving or disproving this claim, but we've been in this mall for a couple hours and there are bakeries everywhere, even bakeries beside other bakeries.
Yes, Indonesian style, French style, Chinese style, all bakeries.
You name it. Our favorite is Bread Talk, very reliable, and I would recommend the Rendang Floss Bun. This is good eating. Now, what's amazing about this mall is we didn't even know it, but we were shopping in the sky. So this mall is actually two separate malls connected by a 5-story sky bridge, which is pretty special. And the entire bridge has like a French theme. So there's girders as if it's the Eiffel Tower, and it's like a French sort of outdoor theme. Very beautiful, and it's a bridge. I've never seen that in my life, and I think this mall does not even stand out in Jakarta. I think Jakarta is the land of malls.
I think so too. Lots of big malls. We love them.
Lots of big malls. And so with that, I think it's time for us to check out this neighborhood, check out this area, financial district, some posh vlogging.
Let's go.
Starting now that the sun is going down. Let's go. Now, I will say Jakarta so far has been surprisingly green today.
Oh yeah.
And the cars, as you can see in the clips, are steady. But they are steady and moving. We haven't seen too much macet. Now, obviously, Jakarta is world famous for its traffic, but at least in the part we're in now, it's heavy traffic, but it is moving. So, pleasantly surprised by that. Now, the next thing we're going to do, I think you guys will really like. The sun is going down, the lights are going to come on, and I think you guys will really enjoy this next place we're going to check out. So let's go. So far, so good. So far, so great, actually.
Turis ini bahkan menikmati pemandangan yang luar biasa saat matahari mulai terbenam dari tengah kota. Di tengah hiruk-pikuk keramaian jalanan ibu kota, di atas sebuah jembatan yang dihiasi lampu-lampu yang membuat suasana semakin hangat. Sebuah pemandangan yang sangat memanjakan mata. Di momen ini mereka sadar, Jakarta tak seperti yang orang katakan di luar sana. Mereka mengakui Jakarta telah jauh melampaui ekspektasi dunia.
Check it out. The sun is setting on this beautiful city, and right now we are actually above the road on this very beautiful and also very useful series of bridges. You can see the way the lights sort of shoot through the bridge, and so it's actually a bicycle path which can be used with this elevator to cross the road, but they've also built this balcony here, and it is a very nice spot to watch the sun go down as the light reflects off all of the tall glass buildings. My understanding is these bridges are relatively new because all of the local tourists are out with their cameras, taking their Instagram photos. We actually just met a couple nice people who wanted to take a photo with such a stylish looking boule, as well as just surrounded by all the buildings. And I think Ivana is up on the top shelf here. So when I think of Jakarta, I don't think of a place like this. I think most people are imagining street markets and air pollution and traffic, but this here is almost like, am I in Jakarta or am I in Tokyo? Ooh, maybe the title of the vlog. You'll see below the screen if that was the winner of the idea. But here we are, kind of loving it up here. Ooh, jump! And so what a great way to end our day. The weather could not have been better today. I was really nervous that it was going to be super duper hot, because when the heat is out, I get la masse, which means low energy very quickly, and it's hard to make a good video when you're like, ugh. And so we got lucky with the weather. We certainly got really lucky with the view, although these buildings are permanent, so maybe not lucky. I think they're here every day. But what a nice place to watch the sun go down.
Jakarta modern saat ini memang telah berkembang sangat pesat. Gedung tinggi pencakar langit, pusat perbelanjaan mewah, transportasi yang canggih dan memadai, dan yang paling utama, orang-orang Indonesia yang sangat ramah. Semua ini menjadi bukti bahwa Indonesia telah menjadi salah satu negara terbaik untuk dikunjungi oleh turis asing. Dan di akhir video ini, pengakuan jujur turis ini membuat kita merasa bangga menjadi orang Indonesia.
Jakarta has developed so much since I left. I left Jakarta when I was 14, and nowadays it kind of reminds me of a mix of New York, Tokyo, and because of that drumming and dancing, kind of like Sao Paulo in Brazil.
Wow.
Yeah, a little bit.
You just described the greatest city in the world. Tokyo, New York, and Sao Paulo all in one.
That's true.
Jika kalian suka video ini, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe channel ini. Juga jangan lupa untuk mengunjungi channel turis ini. Link tertera di deskripsi. Terima kasih.